Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple and easy automatic chicken farm in Minecraft 1.20. These are all the materials you'll need, and I'll also have them listed in the description below. Place a double chest, a hopper facing into the chest, a slab on top of the hopper, a dispenser looking into the slab, a comparator coming out of the dispenser, a repeater, redstone dust like so, another repeater and a block. Place 2 glass in front of the slab, another 2 blocks on the sides of the slab, 1 hopper looking into the dispenser, and 2 more hoppers looking into that hopper, like so. Place 3 temporary blocks on top of the hoppers, then place glass all the way around. It should look like this. Break the 3 temporary blocks, then place slabs on top of the glass. And that's you basically done. The extra blocks are just to make it look better, just placing the blocks like so. Just remember to break this glass and place in your lava. Then you're going to want to lure up some chickens into your farm. For this demonstration I'm just going to spawn in the chickens, but whenever you lure in the chickens you're going to want to feed them with seeds, so that you can breed them easier and get more chickens up at the top. We use 3 hoppers here instead of 1 because of entity cramming. If you have too many entities in one space, they'll all kill each other. Once you have all your chickens in, just cover up the top. Then these chickens will poop out eggs into these hoppers, which will go into this dispenser, triggering the comparator clock, which makes the dispenser fire, spawning baby chickens into the bottom. Then when they grow up, they'll die to the lava, and their feather and chicken will go into this chest. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to spawn in some chickens. And as you can see, each time a chicken grows up, they'll die to the lava, and their roast chicken and feathers will drop into this chest. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it would really help the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one, thanks for watching.